Friday marks the 19th anniversary of a day that changed America forever. The 9/11 terror attacks masterminded by Osama bin Laden. Oklahoma City firefighters have a special bond with New York City emergency responders because of 9/11 and the Murrah building bombing. And this week, a group of Oklahoma City firefighters are participating in the annual OKC 9/11 Memorial Stair Climb to honor the 343 New York firefighters who lost their lives in a heroic effort to save others. eCapitol News Director Shawn Ashley was in the Oklahoma State Capitol on 9/11. He was actually a state employee at the time. So I began our conversation by asking him about his memories of that terrible day.
I had heard the report of the first plane hitting the first tower. And not long after I walked into my office, the second plane hit the second tower. And then pretty quickly, we were evacuated from the building, asked to leave. And we didn't come back for a couple of days. When we did, metal detectors were in place and security was heightened. So it really changed the nature of things, the environment around the Capitol.
Shifting gears now to COVID-19, the State Department of Health has made a significant change this week in how they report COVID-19 numbers. What did they do?
Yes, what they're doing now is including these rapid antigen tests. These tests had not been included in the positive counts, mainly because there was concern that they were not particularly accurate. But over the last 6 months have shown those tests were more accurate than originally thought, so they are being added into the counts. Surprisingly, we have not seen big increases in the numbers as a result of those additions, but our numbers still remain relatively high.
The Oklahoma Public Employees Association is calling for prison employees be given a raise based on hazard pay. What are they asking for?
Yeah, really what they're doing is asking for hazard pay related to COVID-19. Earlier this year, the Department of Corrections was paying additional per hour wages for hazard pay for those individuals working in facilities where COVID-19 was present. It has spread throughout the prison facility. Some of them are having major problems with this that they're trying to get a handle on.
Shawn, one more question for you. Senate Majority Leader Kim David joining some great Oklahomans after receiving a prestigious honor. Tell us about that.
Yes, she was recognized by the Oklahoma National Guard with the Oklahoma Medal of Freedom for her work in supporting the Guard while in the legislature. She joins former governors in receiving that award, Governor George Nye, Frank Keating, and Brad Henry. Senator David is very familiar with the Oklahoma National Guard. Her husband is a former guardsman, and some of her children have served and are currently serving in the National Guard. So she really has her finger on the pulse of the needs of the State Guard.
Shawn Ashley, as always, thanks for your time.
You're very welcome.